Hi everyone, lathonmb here. I'm here with my sister, yes, my sister, who is CEO of Forma Beauty and Wellbeing. I'm going to be having a facial treatment and the salon and her socials, her link is down in the description below. So sis, what are we going to be having done today?
So what I'm thinking today is a microneedling treatment, which helps even out the skin tone, makes your skin look refreshed and so much brighter.
Thanks sis. I'm going to be filming the whole treatment from start to finish, so you know what it entails. So don't forget to watch the video until the end. Sit back, relax, listen to the voiceover and enjoy the soothing ASMR music. But before we get into it, let me know in the comments, have you ever been to a beauty salon? What treatment did you have? Did you enjoy it? Just let me know in those comments below. A facial steam treatment, also known as facial steaming, involves exposing the face to a warm steam, typically for a short period of time, to help cleanse and hydrate the skin. The warm steam opens up the pores, making it easy to remove dirt and oil, promoting circulation and hydrating the skin. It can also help soften blackheads and prepare the skin for better product absorption. It's a popular spa treatment and it can also be done at home. Double cleansing is a skincare method that often involves washing the face twice, typically with two different cleansers. The first cleanse uses an oil-based cleanser to remove makeup, sunscreen and excessive oil. The second cleanse uses a water-based cleanser to remove any remaining impurities and residue. This two-step process ensures a more thorough cleanse, leaving skin feeling deeply cleaned and prepared for other skin products, according to Cordelly. Facial exfoliating scrub offers several benefits for the skin, including removing dead skin cells, unclogging pores, improving skin texture and promoting better absorption of skin products. Exfoliation can also help reduce acne, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and give your skin a brighter, more radiant glow. My sister is currently using a Blackhead Extraction tool. A blackhead removal tool is a handheld device used to extract blackheads, also known as comedones, from the skin. These tools typically come in various forms, such as loop extractors, comedone extractors, or even pore vacuums, and are designed to help remove the buildup of oil, dead skin cells and debris that clog the pores. An enzyme peel is a type of gentle chemical exfoliation that uses enzymes to remove dead skin cells, revealing a brighter, smoother complexion. These enzymes often derive from fruits like papaya, pineapple or pumpkin, working by breaking down the protein bonds that hold dead skin cells together, allowing them to easily shed, unlike harsher chemicals peels. Enzyme peels are generally considered suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin, and are known for their gentle, effective exfoliation. Microneedling is a cosmetic procedure that involves using a device with fine needles to create tiny punches in the skin, stimulating the body's natural wound healing response and collagen production. Microneedling offers several benefits for the skin improvement, including reducing the appearance of wrinkles, acne scars and hyperpigmentation. It also ensures the skin texture and promotes collagen production and improves the product absorption. Additionally, it can help with stretch marks and sun damage and enlarged pores. This process can improve skin texture, reducing the appearance of scars and address concerns like wrinkles and pigmentation. A sheet mask with ice globe combines the benefits of hydrating or targeting treatment masks with a cooling and massaging effect of the ice globes, offering a potent skincare experience. The sheet mask provides concentrated hydration and specific treatment for the skin, while the ice globes enhance circulation, reduce puffiness and promote relaxation. This duo can lead to a brighter and even-toned and refreshing complexion with reduced redness and inflammation. Facial serum offers a multitude of benefits for the skin, primarily due to their concentration, active ingredients and lightweight formulas. They can deeply hydrate, brighten and improve the skin texture while targeting specific concerns like fine lines, wrinkles and uneven skin tone. Serums also help protect the skin from the environmental damage and can easily be layered with other skincare products. Moisturiser and SPF offers distinct yet complementary benefits for healthy skin. Moisturiser hydrates and nourishes skin, while SPF protects it from harmful UV rays, preventing sunburn, premature aging and skin cancer. Combining them in a single product provides convenience and ensures a constant sun protection along with hydration. After microneedling treatment, your body will start to naturally regenerate and repair the skin, working below the surface in the dermis. This takes time as new collagen is formed and new skin cells are generated and blood supply enhanced. It can take up to 6 weeks before visible signs of regeneration and repair are seen, and the process will continue over the following months, providing you with a natural, long-lasting enhancement. Your skin may sting after the treatment and some redness will remain for a couple of days. You will be advised to apply sunscreen regularly and avoid extreme heat or cold. Exposure to the sun, saunas, sunbeds and vigorous exercise for 48 hours. That's it guys, we're all finished. This is Di from Forma Beauty and Wellbeing and my beautiful sister. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.